What if you could manage 10 times more Google Ads clients without hiring a single new team member? If you run a PPC agency or freelance practice, you know the grind. Keyword research, campaign structuring, ad copy, CPC tuning, budget management, repeated for every single client. This is NLSQL Ads Manager, an AI agent that creates, manages, and optimizes live Google Ads campaigns entirely through a chat interface. Here's why this matters for your business. Each chat thread represents a different client. Connect their Google Ads account once, and the AI handles everything from there: campaign creation, keyword research, ad copy, budget adjustments. You still bill your clients as usual, the AI does the execution. Setting up a new client takes under a minute. Open a new chat, and the bot asks you to authenticate. Click the link, Standard Google OAuth. Then paste in the client's Google Ads customer ID, that 10-digit number from the top of their dashboard. Hit Link Account, and you're connected. One thread per client. Clean separation, full control. Now let's see it in action. Here's Greg walking through a live demo, creating a real campaign from scratch using just the chat interface.
Right here, and I want to grab one of the products from our website. This folding, electric bike looks cool. So we'll grab that, and I'm going to say, please create 2 campaign ideas based on this product. And then I'll paste in the product. So the agent has a series of tools that you can use to help it complete the task. So here you can see it's using a get data from URLs tool. So that's grabbed all the relevant product data from the URL there. Now it's performing a Google Ads keyword search. So this language model is going to use all that as context to help it generate the campaign ideas report, which it's doing now. The campaign ideas report is, there's a language model solely dedicated to doing this task here. And it's going to be the template that it gets used for the final search campaign generation. So it'll contain, because I've asked for 2 ideas here, it'll contain 2 ideas for me to look at. So it's finished now, so the model's giving me a brief overview of the different ideas that it's come up with. And then it's finished now, so the model's giving me a brief overview of the different ideas that it's come up with. And then it's going to give me the files that I can download. So you see we've got a keyword statistics file here, which is all the info that was pulled from the keyword search. Okay, and as you can see here, we've got the name of our campaign, then we've got budget, summary, target audience, keywords and CPC, native keywords, headlines, descriptions, our final URL, which is the URL that we supplied. So I like the sound of this space-conscious lifestyle campaign. So we're going to say, please create a full campaign for idea 2. Okay, so again, it's used a tool to read the campaign names, just to make sure it uses the correct name. And now it's generating the search campaign based on that. Okay, and it's completed already. So let's go check that out. Let's see if it did that. Sometimes it takes a bit of time to load in the Google interface here, so we'll just maybe give it a couple of seconds. Okay, and here you can see we've got a space-conscious lifestyle campaign, sorry. Now in the ad group, you can see all our keywords here. Exact match. Okay, so I think maybe these 2 keywords, foldable e-bike and fold-up electric bike. The CPC is a bit higher than ours. Lower the CPC on foldable e-bike, what was it? Foldable e-bike and fold-up electric bike. Put them in quotes. Fold-up electric bike to 40 pence. I'll be sure. So it appears to have done that for us. Let's check it out. Yep, there's our 2 keywords capped at 40 pence there. 7, 8. So we've got 10. Let's get to add maybe 5 more keywords. Please add 5 more relevant keywords with exact match. Just going to add these 5 more keywords for us. Okay. Check that out. Yep, they're all there. So it's added these new keywords for us, which is great. Next, let's take a look at the actual ads that it's created for us. So it created an ad here. As you can see, we've got the product URL, we've got headlines and descriptions here. And it's all looking really good. To be honest, here's an example of how it could look. Although that's, yeah, there's an example of how it could look. But one last thing we can do here, there are other things we can do. One last thing I'm going to do in this demo is to adjust the budget of our campaign here to, let's say £25 instead. So to Okay, so the budget's been adjusted now. Let's check that out. Again, one of the things that takes a bit of time to update. Oh, there you have it, £25 a day. Perfect. So that's kind of a small example of what you can do with this. So I could do,
As you just saw, everything from keyword research to live campaign creation, CPC adjustments, adding ads, and budget changes, all done through simple chat commands. No Google Ads interface needed. Here's what this means for your PPC business. Right now, every new client means hours of manual setup and optimization. With Ads Manager, the same work takes minutes. Scale from 5 clients to 50 without growing your team. Charge the same rates. Watch your margins go through the roof. Each client gets their own chat thread. Their account stays separate. You maintain full oversight and can review or adjust anything the AI creates. Stop trading hours for dollars. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. Try NLSQL Ads Manager today. Start your free trial at adsmanager.nlsql.com.